Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Shadow back again with another video. As you guys can tell, this is a new location. This is like my 4th time in 3 years moving. Long story short, bigger and better things, more content for you, of course. But in this video, this is an unboxing from Naksh Carpets. Had to get a new tufting gun. Had to get a brand new tufting gun, and this is the unboxing. If I can do this jump with one hand, I'm a beast. But let me see what I can do for you. Let's see if I can grab that jump. Alright, this jump kinda hard to pick up with one hand. Let's see if I can grab it. I have to do a little ripping. Do a little ripping right quick. Rip the edges off. And I'm gonna put the link below on where I got this from. This is a Cut Pal tufting gun. I usually get all my equipment from this company. They have some great products. Let's see what we got here. This is the joint with the yellow, and this is how it's coming, y'all. This is how it's coming. All right, this is how it's coming. We got a box. I don't know what's in this box, y'all. What's in this box? So this is the power cord. Okay, we got the power cord for United States. It comes with an extra pair of scissors and a yarn looper and some adjustment tools. That's all good. You see the scissors here. All right. It seems like their newer models of tufting guns has the protective case covering it, because a lot of times yarn tend to get stuck back up in here. Y'all know. But yeah. So we got a little silica packet here. Yeah, they got some added protection up in this junk. And it comes fully assembled. Looking nice and good. Looking nice and good. Looking real good. Got the yellow speed indicator joint. Looking good. Get that plugged up. Pull this on there right quick. What is that? Okay, this is a little something. All right, y'all. All right, and that pretty much sums up the unboxing of it. Hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Peace.